Hey, everybody.
I'm Heather.
I'm John.
And we are S'more Camping with the Schraggs. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. If you've been here a while, we appreciate you continuing to follow our journeys. Going this weekend.
We are heading out to West Branch State Park. Been there quite a few times. And Following the Fitches are going to meet us there. They have never been there, so this will be their first.
So, it is raining.
Yes. Show them the sky to our right.
See if I can get a shot for you.
Oh, yeah.
This is the sky.
Looks pretty bad. But that is already to the east of us. So
it will be a good weekend. So not sure how much video we're going to do here because we have put out another video. Although the last time we were here, it snowed.
At West Branch?
It sure did.
Oh.
That's when Mother Nature had her issue and I was in the parking lot of the grocery store. So anyway, hopefully we can get here, get set up. I think it's going to rain until about 7 o'clock tonight. 7:30 is what they're saying. So hopefully we can get it set up before we get dumped on.
We should be able to.
We will catch up with you guys.
Turn left. Well, don't like that because it smells. And look how we have to park the truck. Huge ditch here. That is one bad thing with new full hookup sites going in over here. This is a bad thing with the older parks like West Branch. You got these culverts on either side. Makes it hard getting in and out. And then also, this has a severe slope to the rear. Fire pit in the back there.
No. I hit a button.
Heather's trying to do the level mate. Never seen that before.
I don't know if we can
17
go down
inches down. I don't even think we can. You're going up. Oh. Site 146. Severe slope in the rear. Very muddy because a storm just ripped through here. Although we do have these nice little trails back through here. Somebody left us a wire to hang stuff on. Have enough to get the awning out, looks like. Gonna have to put the rug out. I better go see what she's doing. Did you get it?
No. We still have 4.5 inches to go.
Damn, shouldn't have put all them blocks under. Anyways, you know what? We thought we would hate this site. And actually, I really like this site. Even though the front of my camper is, you probably can't see, almost down on the frame. But everything's kind of set up behind the camper. We've never really had a site like this. It's mostly everything's set up like, you know, here. But we can't set up here because we have trees and stuff. And the fire pit's back there. Heather's making some bacon. We do have a high step here. Quite the drop. But we pulled the picnic table back. You probably cannot even see. Pulled the picnic table back here behind the White Hawk. Had to level it out with some Legos down there. And just went ahead and hooked up the Blackstone to the rear port. We have 2 ports. And this is kind of cool because we hung up some lights here to the tree. Got our dino trap out doing its work. And then our fire pit is right there. You probably can't see it. But this is kind of where we're hanging out back here. Time for the burgers? Oh, you're spilling everything. Do you want some help?
Oh, it's good. I'm fine.
Okay, good.
Fine.
I wasn't going to help you anyways.
Okay.
I was just going to walk around and hold this camera and talk to myself. You like this site? She called it our little fairy.
It's like a little fairy garden back here.
It is like a little fairy garden. Our camera sucks, so it probably... This is new full hookup. So this whole loop here is going to be full hookup. That'll be nice. I've jet skied in this lake many, many times. And water skied. Very good weekend. I actually ended up enjoying the spot we had. Thought it was going to suck, but turned out to be a nice sight.
She went on a little kayak trip today with Andrea and
her brother and sister-in-law and the two little girls. Yep. Last night we were visiting some people, and all of a sudden Kenny shows up out of nowhere.
Out of nowhere.
West Branch, what can you say about West Branch? I guess you just got experience. Some people love it, some people hate it. I went around that corner probably a little too fast.
So it's very close to home for us, which is nice. Just a little quick getaway. So
yeah,
we had a great weekend.
Very good.
All right, we're going to get out of here, you guys. Until we talk to you again, remember the only thing better than a campfire are the memories you make around it. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.